Hello everyone. So, you are getting confused that how can I make animation videos, whiteboard toolkit. So, how can I make that? So, here is one tip or a trick so that you can do it for a free. Okay? So, let's go to this. So, type. So, what you will type? renderforest.com. Okay, I will send the link in the description below. Please do check it. Okay, so as you came here, you have to sign in. Okay, I have already signed in, so no need me, but you have to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in. Okay, for example, let me click on create video. Okay, you can create a video like this in a 3D toolkit explanation, solid logo reveal, this explanation video toolkit, okay, whiteboard animation, and this, and so many things you can do it. So for example, let me say you about cooking toolkit. Okay, not king, cooking. Okay, why king is coming? You will have, see this, you can do this video of cooking toolkit or whatever, whatever you can do with this renderforest.com. so so 1 minute, wait 1 minute. So okay, as I will give a coupon page where you will show, where you will see. Okay, so this is a coupon page, this is a coupon page. So I will give this link in the description below. So please do check it. Render forest. Okay, I will give this link in the description below. Please do check it. Okay, so let's see now. So now let's see. So when you will upload a video, you will get, for example, let me show you. Okay, so when you go to this 3D toolkit, right? 3D toolkit, you will go right. So when you go here, okay, when you go here, we will create. We have to click on create now. Okay, we have to click on create now and create. Okay, we have to create this, and so let me take this. Okay, let me take this and let me click this. So hello everyone. Okay, I have typed this. Okay, it is creating a snapshot and saving this. See how it will come. Okay, 1 minute, it will come, don't worry, it will come in this way. See, hello everyone, is it there? Yes, it is there. And another one, right? And let me take another one and let me keep high. Okay, hi high. Okay, high. I have kept high. Hmm? I have kept high. See, high. So you have to go to preview to save it. So when you go here, you will get free preview or HD export. In free preview, it is low quality. It means very low quality. Okay, uh, 36p quality, exporting time 2 minutes with watermark. It's very low quality. Okay, so only in 2 minutes it will be there. Okay, 2 minutes it will be there with watermark. So and in 360p. And when you go to HD quality, you will get 1080p HP or 720p. Broadcast quality, nice quality. Exporting time 4 minutes. Here 2 minutes, whereas here 4 minutes. And with no watermark. Okay. And to create your own watermark also you will not get. We have to only get HD quality. Okay. When we click on HD quality, okay, when we click on HD quality, they are asking us to do this, right? To do this, to pay. But we will not do this. We have so I will give a coupon page link. This page link I will give. Please go on through it. Okay. 20% off for educational discount. Being a student has its advantages. Not only the weekend activities you enjoy with your friends. Means if you have this educational discount, you will get. If you have educational like this, you will get 20%. Okay. If you have Twitter like that, and if you share this video, you will get 15% off discount. Buy 3 get 1 free. If you buy 3 toolkits, you will get 1 free toolkit. Right? 15% off for 30 likes. If you go in the Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, if you get 30 likes, you will get a 15% of discount. 10% of discount Facebook review. Right? When 10% is this 10% discount is there, right? When to the Facebook page, it will be there. When someone sees the Facebook page like that, you will get 10% discount. 15% off App Store review. When they will see in App Store this video, you will get 15% off. Okay. And the last but not the least is 100% off review discount. Okay, write a review about Render Forest on your personal blog with a unique domain, or make a YouTube video review and get a free HD 1080 rendering coupon. Your review should include an active link to Render Forest webpage, videos or screenshots webpage, contact our support team. Okay, so what you will do means, so you have to go to here. Okay, so means you have to make a YouTube video or any video or screenshot of that website and send it to them about nicely to that support team email. How we should send, I will say you. Okay, so we should send like that. And if they will give that, for this only I'm making this video. If they give that, you're very lucky. You can make whiteboard toolkits and so on, and you will be very lucky if you'll get. So I hope they will give me if I'll send this video. And how to share this video I will say you now. Okay, so if you give this coupon code of 1080 HP, they will give a coupon code like this, and we have to insert here in that. Do you want to get not this? So here the contact us will be there. Okay, just open that link. Go to that link. Okay. So here I have sent that my name, email, and I have sent that. Okay, it's like this. So please, I have a YouTube channel. It's like that I have sent. Okay. So you have to send. Okay, they will send. They will send a message from this. Okay. They'll send a message from this, and you and from again you have to make a video like me, and you have to send that. Okay. And if you get it, you are very lucky. Okay, tata, goodbye. So that's it. I will give the links in the description below. So, goodbye.